Hello guys!
Let's go!
Wala siyang tigil. Sakay kami ng Blue Line. Escalator. Hi, Jor.
Hi, I'm Diok.
Hi, Jok.
From now on, my name is Diok.
Jok, where is Jack?
Hello. I'm sorry.
Hi, Louie.
Hi. Welcome to my vlog.
So cold today. I have two hands, the
Yeah.
left and the right. Yeah, we're going to Taipei Zoo, Mokodola.
Hello guys! Welcome to Diary TV in Taiwan!
Taiwan edition.
Woo, 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 woo.
Go, go, go!
Next guys, from BL Land, hanapin nyo BR, Wen Hunay. After BR line, we're gonna see Taipei Zoo sign there. And we're gonna ride another train. Punta tayo sa train, papunta tayo sa Taipei Zoo sa last station. Ayan, ito tayo sa daan. Tagalog. Nasa daan. Daan tayo. Okay, from Ximending to 3565. Ito na guys, from Ximending, nakarating na tayo ng Maokong. Pwede kayong magpunta sa cable car na using your easy card, loloadan nyo lang siya. So, pupunta kaming gondola. Sasakay kami ng cable car from gondola to Taipei Zoo.
Balik ko mamaya what happened.
And ang payment is 120 NTC. Hi guys, ito na. Sakay na kami.
Alam mo kung may cable car sa Las Piñas, walang traffic.
Yeah, correct.
This is 120 NTD guys.
We would like to recommend this to
Hindi
the
ko alam
city
kung
of,
balikan na yan
Las
or
Piñas.
one way lang. So, ang view mo.
Oh my God, it's so
Hi!
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Yung view mo is...
What is this?
Ayan, may puno na. Nasa Baguio na tayo guys.
Ay, wala naman. Fresh.
Wow!
Medyo
Forest!
nakakatakot siya.
Kasi mga nakapikit eh. Ayan.
Ayun na, girl. Hello! Ay, hello.
We're
We're
vloggers.
vlogging from Philippines.
Yeah, we're famous celebrity in the
Yes.
Philippines. Yes.
Can you join us? You just say, welcome to Diary ni B. Chinese ba sila? Chinese.
Okay. Do you speak English? No. A little. Okay. Say little or small. Sabihin mo, dahil...
What's that?
It's the map. Andun lahat ng animals.
Okay, lahat tayo nakabas tayo, di
Uy,
ba?
ano, invite natin sila.
Yes.
Hi guys! Welcome to Diary of B!
Go, go, go!
Thank you!
Taiwan edition.
Share, share.
Sheshe.
Taiwan edition!
Mga baliw edition.
First animal is elephant.
Elephant!
Hi, elephant. What's your meal?
Ingay nyo na kayo.
Ilang taon na kaya yun? Parang may katarata siya.
Feeling ko ka-idol siya ni Sir Roman. Nakasilip siya, guys. Hi, Dong. Where's Key? Donkey! Donkey! Camels. Hi! Hello! Hello! Hi! Lumalapit siya, guys. Sabi niya magsusubscribe daw siya sa Diary ni Bea. Kaya mag-subscribe na kayo, guys. Camel, subscribe ka. Makikita mo yung sarili mo doon. Bye, Camel. Ay! Natumba! Natumba. Ganyan pala siya humiga. Ah! Wow. What a nice pose. Hello, panda. The panda that's always hungry. Food, panda, food, panda. Kailan siya nakain? This, baya ko ng dalawang corn dog. 17. Mas mura siya kaysa the piece of 80. Yan. 10 NTD. Nagtipid. 65 yung entrance and yung exit naman. Papamasahe pabalik sa gondola is 30 NTD. Yung papunta namin from gondola to Taipei Station is 70 NTD. And time. Ayan, nag-load ulit kami pabalik ng Taipei 101 main station. So going home from Taipei Zoo, akit yung, punta kayo exit, then MRT, and then punta tayo sa BL. BL Sangdong Fuzin. Hindi ko alam basa. Parang may mga hayop akong kasama. Hindi ko na yung galing nila, o galing hayop.
May galing ka sa zoo kaya po ang talim sa salita.
Wala lang na Song Xiang Fusi. ELDR. Ito na po ang talamak. Anong ginagawa mo?
Hi guys, ito po yung kanilang paper cup, di
Just
ba?
try to taste the water here in Maldives.
Oh, the paper is not sweating. Yum. Ang galing naman yan.
Ano maliit po?
Ano free water?
Yes. Actually, it's a free paper.
You have to write your name kasi daw eh.
Write your paper.
Pass your paper.
Ano to?
Finish
Hot?
or not finish?
Pwede hot?
Oo,
Hindi
pwede
ko papasok.
Oo.
No?
Try mo.
Gusto ko warm. Flowing.
Ay!
It's a prank!
Ano yun? Aalis na mo.
Ay, no!
Nilayasan tayo ng mga Koreano.
So, pwede mag-boil? War?
Aksidente na nais nyo ah.
Lagyan mo yung hot kung mainit.
Ito pang schedules.
Ganito kami. Glasti-lasti ng chai.
Ganito na po sa ano.
Okay.
Try mo nga yung hot, Joy.
Inubos ng inubos.
Try mo yung hot. Kung ano, kung tatagos.
Alam mo, naka-inventory yan. Within 1 hour, ubus daw yung papel dahil sa inyo.
Paging the 4 people there. Okay, we will try the hot one, okay?
Yung ano,
I'm so afraid.
hot lock.
Hot love.
Hindi hot lock. Nakalak.
Yeah.
Ayan!
Ay! Ay! Tikman natin kung mainit.
How is it?
It's not hot, it's warm.
Oh.
Let's
I love warm.
like how about this rare boiled?
Rebel, you have to put egg here.
Gago, may paging na tayo.
Flow.
Please go to bay number 13.
Nag-lock.
Ginawa niyong water fountain to.
Five kayo.
Yes, the princess is alive.
Alive and ano, naglalasti kami sa Taiwan.
Ipakita ng mga ugali sa tubig.
Wala po kasi nito sa Pilipinas.
No, we were just trying to taste the water here.
Hindi naman siya sa English.
Lahat ng water, mainit, malamig.
Alam ko na kung bakit siya nag-uubos ng water. Because look, oh, there's a CR.
This is my favorite part.
Taiwan is one of the
What?
conservative in water.
Ano yun? Make me sweat.
You know, my finger is so cold. Ay, so hot.